the school outside their own areas of interest. So in other words, the younger generation Singaporean, what they need is not more criticism, but rather what you need is more encouragement. And that's the reason why the labour movement on the 7th of July last year, we established a NIBO as a new platform for young people like yourself to come together, to serve together, to play together. Since the formation of NIBO a year ago, or less than a year ago, we have grown NIBO into a platform with 14,000 people, 14,000 young people. And by the end of this year, we expect to reach 20,000. So this morning, the purpose is firstly for you to have fun together, and secondly, for you to get to know more about the labour movement. So on behalf of everyone at the NTUC in the labour movement, we wish you a fun day